All right, faithful friends, it is Monday, and you guys know it's Mental Health Monday. On this Mental Health Monday, I want to talk to you, or rather, continue the conversation about forgiveness. And I want to invite you guys to first of all follow me on Instagram at DelvinBarber720. That's DelvinBarber, the number 720. Do that. But also go back and review some of these videos talking about forgiveness. Today, I simply want to submit to you that I think you need to accept what happened to you. Yeah. Let's take a deep breath and let's really come into contact with what happened, who happened, the feelings around it. Again, I still say to you all that if you struggle with forgiveness, you struggle also with addressing your own pain. And I don't believe that it is a discredit. I don't believe it's a problem to address your pain first, right? Because otherwise, you don't have the wherewithal, the bandwidth to now navigate the other emotions in the equation of the assault, if you will. So today I want to challenge you. Hopefully that you're following these steps. But as things have happened to you, I want you to accept the fact that they happened. Because now the next thing that we got to do is make a determination on this powerful question. And I'm gonna give it to you early before tomorrow gets here. Are you ready to forgive? You should at this point have now addressed your own pain, admitted to that pain. You've told the truth about what you want to do, about what you've been through. And now today you're accepting that it happened. You're not making it up. You are not gossiping about it. You're not adding more to the thing, but you are simply accepting, yeah, this happened. Now, are you ready to forget? Are you ready to forgive? I think that's a very valid question if we're going to journey towards forgiveness, if we're going to journey towards authenticity, if we're going to journey towards healing. You have to answer this question to yourself. Tell yourself the truth. Am I ready to let that go? Am I ready to let that person go? If not, we still got more work to do. I am not interested in you speeding up the process. I'm interested in your healing being everlasting. The only way to do that is to say, you know what? I'm tired. I'm over it. I'm done. This is done. It happened. They happened. This is what I'm left to do. Because ultimately, you got to understand, healing is your responsibility. So again, I ask you this question. Are you ready to forgive? And then more than that, if you are not, I still want to challenge and encourage you to accept what and who happened to you. Y'all know it best, faithful ones. I love you. Here's to a great week.